Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tyas Jatnika. Today I'd like to tell you about my daily routine in Ramadan. In Ramadan, I usually wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. After I wake up, I wash my face and I usually prepare to breakfast. After get breakfast, I drink some glass of water. Okay. After finish, I brush my teeth and do all my activities in this morning. After finish all activities, I usually sleep again because I confused what should I do in the morning. I usually get sleep for 1 hour or 2 hours. After wake up of the sleep, I make the bed because if I wake up, the bed is messy. After this finish, I go to take a bath. Okay, at 8 o'clock to 15 o'clock, I usually doing my study programs. In doing my study programs, I usually discuss from WhatsApp group, from Zoom meeting and Ruang. Okay. Besides that, I also take a class music. I take a class music about traditional musical instruments. There, I get practice about traditional musical instruments. It can spend for 2 hours or 3 hours. After I get practice about it, I also get practice about traditional dance. In practice about traditional dance, I spend approximately 1 hour. At 17 o'clock, I usually prepare to breakfasting like cooking, prepare for the class, to drink and others. After finish activities, I usually sleep again at 22 o'clock. Okay, it's my daily routine. And one from me, don't forget to prayers, and especially in Ramadan, don't forget to Tarawih prayers. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.